billion old Ghana cedis. Kitchen cabinet, 3 billion old Ghana cedis. What say ya man show? What say ya man show? Who? Mohwani wo. Ghanaian youth, mohwani wo. NDC youth, mohwani wo. Anaka we mi romo. You people don't have any shame. Me say, I see I don't get your statement. No,
Owusu Bempah makwa about the Ghana and Sam TV so. But one so like video number subscribe to the channel. No attend no notifications about next time. Videos of this nature also submit my TV. So the money from Mr. President. Now if by chance also contribute to studio work see it be a sound, light, it be internet, be any patchok check boy yesrewa to be reach through number ne wasi ono. Yen sabeka ne beda wasin so. Now me patcho wadaroma. Na sa era Sammy Gyamfi. Na Sammy Gyamfi a kofo bebre nim no with the communication to that his choice of words, the ways sometimes attacks people's personality. If you come put the nim name say sebi ebi mu nim say Nura a spiritual father or one of his spiritual fathers and Nura Owusu Bempah. Na Sammy Gyamfi na ne ho aba asemi. Na isi amene wo kase wakoji sika over 11 million Ghana cedis allegedly say or the renovation on the office. Na Ghana for do most kono in some na de yetiti na chire and in some yetiti no yasumne ne say out of 11 million Ghana cedis or the 800 million at the koto TV at the abon office 800 million. Na Ghana for ni bubu say sabi TV 42 inches ne other inches ne wono emu de ne ton 80,000 and that's 800 million our Ghana. Yes, a kitchen cabinet over 1 billion. Na kitchen cabinet be nkoane e cotton over 1 billion. Na say nya 1 billion e cotton kitchen cabinet and yegmenes ke son cotton fie dia obeto obitwi asan. These are allegations and alleged issues are security. Na we Ghana na say otin sem we bia na ama wabupusa. Na Ghana for ni bi e busa say it is saying and the spiritual father can put ya obefanafa. Owusu Bempah, there is one thing you can't take it away from him. Nyamensa wono so. O nyaminipa. It is say o nyaminipa no. It means okura nyamisu eno okura nipa nsusu. It is obani party biemu a. Na so tese ne ba. Sammy Gyamfi ayade we a ono so obi feel say. Sammy Gyamfi is gradually disgracing his fathers in the Lord. Eya na areho ahomete. Say young politicians, they more opportunities, they more chances. So mun lead the masses. Now allegation sent say ba no muntimi you amohwano. Now it's becoming evidentially clear. Said they are disappointed the masses. Yana ya. And we can't say we are being full soldiers. Bia hombeba be jina be do what man attack your personality all because in same be say when you join our work no na say we try to address issue no. It's not fair. It's not right. We are not in good state. We are not in normal times. These things cause for alarms. These things are not right. These things are very big issues that we have to address. Sammy, people are asking to how is spiritual fathers going to see these issues?
I can accept it. As a TV near to the command Malodina, so on fashion telenovela. I can accept it. But passing a time TV, you are TV over 800 million. And you are gold board. The same gold board now say Omokwasha Jumano. Yakoto TV. Abusafo Ghana youth. Yenina yen shedding. At this point, yenina yen shedding. Because I may send ya on my no airco. Any moon penny for a gum. Atnas ye decided as a mobile brona. Ghanaian youth yen shedding. She asem no hu dia ya asem when you say the ordinary Ghanaian youth as a work security service mu akọ Dantes video we me audio we nyame na mebo boma me the ordinary Ghanaian youth know say okope adwuma aye okope security service mu aye The first allegation they can be upon someone in HIV. And he disqualify mo. Second time, ye baba kan no. Yes, so oma bonbon, oma pass the aptitude test. Na abusuafo de atwa me nsum kra ya me candidate, General Mosquito. General Mosquito decided say obe react to say asem we no. General Mosquito say na NDC youth because asem one can't let Ghanaian youth. Or catch the NDC youth. Or say na mo enipa over 50,000. Mo pay your friend is 500,000. Mo pay police security service mu akono. This is coming from your friend is a national chairman of a political party like NDC party in power. Or say yes me. And then that is play me the audio.
Play me the audio. Mr. Juma minimi ya parano.
General say, "Yamba munyina mumegu police."
50,000. Police. 500,000. 50,000. 500,000. And more and police. And you won't check 500,000. That's it. Yes, you will be open by yes, the farm police is for 500,000. The head on a woman for crashes. Everyone I am was police. Everything why I never continue. This is how your president. 500,000 say,
General say, and mo nipa 500,000 mo so mo ko gu elwak. A ebi ko wu wo mu no. A mo se mo nyina mo ko police mu no. Mo ko soldier mu no. Mo ko immigration na mo bisa say, ho mo de ba ya akromfo, ami akwatete wo mo. Ho mo de ye benya obachiti ya fa nipa 500,000. Ade mo gu police mu ho mo de ye beche wo mo. At this point, Niemeti Miakase Ghana youth, NDC youth, and they say, Monshading. Because the party now muko die chekwa yes sapro ne kwa omu mumo. Me say asem General Mosquito wan kan che Ghana youth in general. O ka kire NDC fo. I say, yes, me na make a general say, na money pa 500,000, musu ko pe police mu akono. Wa mo na nya from ye ntete wo mo. This is coming from the general secretary of the political party in power. After wo mo. This is the best as a general secretary of a ruling party. I said, look at your honorable general say. And when they went to Elwak. And the best thing you can tell us, as Ghanaian youth, they say, and the security service work, Mr. said, look at your 24-hour economy, but you're back here by Elwak in the party. Job 133 no some implement here. I don't think some can only pop be go ho. I must stampede near the see young for wu ya no. May common sense locate all of you. May say we the youth of this country who go to jail anymore. Bempah na bisanyansa. So that when something is going on, you can decipher it. When you because a document where you will be intrigued to go and read. Because at this point, I feel sorry for my country, Ghana. Me say, yeah, melody na kitchen cabinet esiwo. Me sure say, 300,000 Ghana cedis. But God board the four. True stand dogbe. Acquire kitchen cabinet 300,000 Ghana cedis. Gold board for Akoto TV 800,000 Ghana cedis. E di akoto gold board.
Pie, unim areho se me wo mu no. Me network ni ye okay. Me network ni ha me kwa ote menka.
Beto nka.
Unim areho se me wo mu. Efo na o hyen aben ye eyezu eyeza na nka o so mo de contract bi say ma no no so ne nebusuafo odidi no. Omo age efo business no asanso inflate money. Omo inflate budget na dia ma standogbe. A ono oje salary as the deputy chief of staff. And you people are still here in comment section defending it. When if Obi or a carpenter or ye Juma carpenter for Juma Krom Hanum. Don't they have NDC good carpenters? And compared to me, I dear way. No, Muswenya Skadia Shaw Mumba School. But you see, we talk about it, and you have some half-baked youth in this country come and defend it. That's a sad reality.
Unim.
And your money be a yakana ya monti asem. Sometimes and yes, you kasa na ye pa na say or mine na ye penny ye. But if you are wise enough, you see that these people omo
umpe. Enti me ma unya information o dem be send o. De umpe.
Ye ntia omuka.
There be almost say allow omo areas no. The omo tua no eno omo tua de aka no de omo prepare free omo documents mukra.
Teachers of for no ka so omo nto ba omi ano meto ama no.
Ya jinso ye nkoto for no.
Ya ji nkoto for no. Ya say your 2016, 2015, 2012 to 2016 ya man e di your no.
Eno na ye 3 months pay policy. O chira de 3 years a. O chira de 3 years a. Na ye tua ka 3 months. Se o ma chira o ma chira de 1 year to ma tua mo ka 1 month into no sa policy na to aso.
No,
almost 3 month pay policy no buy no. That time no much charge for much charge for 3 years.
Pacho, get me bisa o tama na akufado woso no. Mesida we ni diem. Akufado wo tuo mo ka ana wantuo mo ka.
Se anka ye behu se on se okokan ya no be beka so ye MPP ni na wokasa. But aban no edi 8 years. Time ben ye tie se teachers picket se or musika or much charge for a number of years. And as a number of months or market to your mind. And Kofu na complain o muti bi kakra ba eye o ma na o wo school ma na o ma allowances e delay no eno kwa no na delay a na eba kopim say di fra bam we de o mo a ye promise o mo NDC for promise o mo automatic placement automatic recruitment o mo ye fa bi no o mo ntimi fa bi nka ho no o mo no ma kira de for 1 year no first John Mahama presidency no. Now said yeah, Peggy started Kasano. Okay, be say it is not for anything in Yanko Poma and before a cotton. I buy into that idea perfectly because I was a Ghana for and I said the Gen Z is living MPP. I a wabem any NDC a wabem. Now me I am anticipating say John Mahama. Efena obetray mafia and kasa because even in his first time na opec akonya asabe bill in 2016 or say or ye or no wo dead goods syndrome
yeah
na ye the back
dead goat na ya na enye de odwanfunu
there be enna me ba ho no o de ba ye twi mu a ye si odwanfunu but one kasa dead sheep syndrome or say dead goat na aponche a ye friend goat no or tia simpokura na so den na so omere
na so
na aponche a wawu syndrome no so wo enti fei pa no obe kire ye say dead goat syndrome no ebe ye adwuma na ye nyina ye mpese bibi boni be si wiase mama ho kira ba na se de Donald Trump ne Israel
and now Sika involved in this scandal, 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher, Momo, some of my fair Tiama. This useless NDC government, a more 11 million Ghana cedis now quacking for Fubutum, na as a film. Now, Quanya Sika, Efa suko di nkrofo bubotom through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create, loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba ben man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tran dem no ma cookie niama, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo yusu ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudi nkrofo bobotom. Na characters are involved a oma bo Ghana for krono we. Oma di Ghana for dream we. Sammy Gyamfi. Oye gold board CEO. Ana ni otosu mienu. Stan Logbe. Currently oye deputy chief of staff. Onu ansu na owner of Wezo Group Company. Wezo Group Company. Sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a yefe no Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we. Na yen nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a every any baby akwa akoduru na kai se me say epanya asa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobekaya na na do dan kwakufu ado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na one cry. Am I crying for na ham? It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building, and course I new building. Now NDC bar power. How more appointed Sammy Gyamfi as good board CEO no. And as Sammy Gyamfi yes, almost be free on my old building Ako Bank of Ghana. On my old building now on my free mono. Now Muntieni Hana create loot and share the woman. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. Well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing yema won bi chese bibi